Hello friends, all of you knows the action verbs. Today we are going to learn phrases and action verbs. Turn around. Turn around म्हणजे स्वतःभोवती एक पूर्ण फेरी मारणे. All of you knows the left and right side. First, turn left, turn right. Come here means call someone, कुणाला तरी बोलवणे. Go there म्हणजे जा असे सांगणे. Up and down, these are the opposite words. Come up, come down. Go up, go down. Run up, run down. Climb up, climb down. अशा प्रकारे दोन शब्द एकत्र जोडून फ्रेजेस बनतात. त्यांचा आपल्याला वाक्यात उपयोग करता आला पाहिजे.